Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Schuberth SC2 motorcycle helmet intercom and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings. Now this is a reset for the intercom. You might want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one would be troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this intercom not connecting or not pairing with your devices or not connecting to Bluetooth, not syncing, anything like that, or you're having sound issues, anything where it's not working properly, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now you're going to need to set everything up again, and that's the second reason you might want to do this. If you're using this on something new, for whatever reason you just want to get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box, we can do that quite easily. All we need to do on this device is we need to have a sufficient battery. We're just going to come in and press and hold the Schuberth button on top for 12 seconds. After the 12 seconds, we'll know that it has worked because it will actually say out loud, you'll hear it say, headset reset, goodbye, and it will turn off. Then you can turn it back on and set it up like a brand new device.